Now moving on, despite the Modi government's claim of a massive crackdown on black money, the money parked by Indians in Swiss banks has risen by over 50% to 7,000 crore rupees in 2017. This is the third time when there has been a rise in the money of the Indians in the Swiss banks. The rise was 12% in 2011, 43% in 2013, and now 50% in 2017. Coming as it is, in fact, ahead of the 2019 elections, the data will be a setback for the Modi government as it blunts its claims of crackdown on black money. Congress has launched an all-out attack on the Modi government, even as they played an old video of him during a presser, saying Prime Minister promises were mere jumlas. Incidentally, funds parked by Pakistani nationals fell by over 21%.
पर मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जो मैनेज करती है फॉरेन एक्सचेंज के पूरे रिजर्व्स को और रेट्स को, और केंद्र सरकार, हम चर्चा करके इसमें जो भी उचित कार्रवाई होगी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय परिस्थितियों को भी नजर में रखते हुए, knee-jerk reactions are not called for. One has to work in an organized market in an organized fashion.
It is only finance ministry, and finance ministry has definitely failed because this is a big blow, because the rest of the world average is only 3%, but how is ours 50%? And if it is legal money, then please give me the names. Why they kept it in Switzerland? What is the difficulty in keeping it in India? So I think in my opinion, and I've seen this in the last 1 year, the finance secretary is a complete failure. You should be sent home. You should be asked to leave. We need a new finance secretary. Not a finance secretary. He's been a complete failure, so he should be sent home.
आज क्यों है कि ये प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि जब मेरी सत्ता आएगी तो जो 80 लाख डॉलर विदेशों में काला धन छुपाया हुआ है हिंदुस्तानियों ने, उसको लाकर 15 लाख हर गरीब के खाते में डालने का काम करेंगे। आज जब आंकड़े आते हैं स्विस बैंक के, तो 50% इस वर्ष में 50% वृद्धि बैंकों में, स्विस बैंकों में। कौन से बैंक में? स्विस बैंकों में आज वृद्धि हिंदुस्तान के रुपया की हो रही है, वृद्धि हुई है। हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में नंबर 2 नंबर पे सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ोतरी अगर स्विस बैंकों में कभी हुई है तो 2018 में हुई है, और सबसे ज्यादा वृद्धि कब हुई थी? 2004 में, जब इनकी सरकार थी। तो क्यों है कि स्विस बैंकों में ये भाषण मंचों से कहते हैं जुमला नंबर 2 कि हम काला धन वापस लाएंगे, तो 50% वृद्धि 2018 में स्विस बैंकों में कैसे हुई? इसका जवाब क्या प्रधानमंत्री भाइयों और बहनों को देने का कष्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे? यह भी एक सवाल देश के सामने बनता है।
Nirav Modi is accused of having defaulted of 24,000 crore, and there are industrialists, very well-known industrials who are favorites of the government, where more than 1 lakh crore of bad loans have been rescheduled. So what is this?
Post demonetization, black money of the Indians in Swiss banks went up. Now that means that all the claims of the government that we are eliminating black money in India and abroad falls flat in the face of this news. And demonetization was considered to be one single super step which would end all kinds of ills. It will stop the stone pelters in Kashmir. They will not be able to, and it was the claim by the government that stone pelting is not taking place because of demonetization. Then black money is over, finished, but counterfeit currency gone. None of the objectives of demonetization that the Prime Minister grandly announced on the 8th of November 2016 have been fulfilled, not one single one.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.